Namaste friends. Welcome back to my channel Mamta Nagrat. Today we are talking about a very important topic, which are the top countries where maximum Indian students are going for higher studies in 2025. We will cover the top 10 countries, the cost of study, post-study work visa, affordable options, and the top universities in each country. If you are planning to study abroad, this is going to be your complete guide. So make sure you watch till the end. Let us get started. The top countries in 2025 is in 2025 more than 18 lakh Indian students are studying abroad. According to recent trends, these are the top 10 destinations for Indian students. Number 1, Canada. Number 2, United States, USA. Number 3, United Kingdom, UK. Number 4, Australia. Number 6, France. Number 7, Switzerland. Number 8, New Zealand. Number 9, Netherlands. And number 10, South Korea. Canada and USA currently have the maximum number of Indian students, but Germany and Europe are becoming very popular due to lower cost of study. On number 2, cost of study and living. Let us quickly compare the cost of study and living in these top countries. On number 1, Canada, the tuition fee is about rupees 9 to 18 lakhs per year, and the living cost is rupees 10 to 12 lakhs per year. Affordable plus high PR chances are there. In USA, the tuition fee is 15 lakhs to 40 lakhs per year. Living cost is around 10 to 15 lakhs per year and has excellent education and expensive living. In case of UK, tuition fee varies from rupees 10 lakhs to 35 lakhs per year. Living cost varies from 10 to 15 lakhs per year, and it gives a possibility of 2-year post-study work visa, but depends on the immigration rules. Then comes Australia. The tuition fee varies from rupees 12 to 30 lakhs per year. Living cost varies from 12 to 15 lakhs a year, and high job opportunities are there in Australia. On next is Germany. Tuition mostly free in public university. Living cost varies from 8 to 10 lakhs per year. Best for engineering on budget. So depending on your budget, Germany and Canada are the most cost-friendly options. On number 3 is post-study work and PR options. Now let us understand which country offers the best post-study work options. Canada, PGWP, up to 3 years stay back. Excellent pathway to permanent residency. In case of UK, graduate route, 2-year post-study work visa, and good for business, IT and health sectors. Then comes Australia, post-study work visa of 2 to 4 years, stay depending on the degree level, and high demand for skilled migrants. USA, OPT and H-1B visa, 1-year OPT for most courses and 3-year for STEM. H-1B visa depends on employer sponsorship. Germany, job search visa, 18 months to find a job. Very strong demand in engineering and IT. So clearly, if your goal is PR, Canada, Australia and Germany give the best pathways. The top universities in each country. Now let us talk about the top universities in each country that Indian students prefer. The top universities in Canada: University of Toronto, McGill University, University of British Columbia, and University of Alberta. Now comes top university in the USA. MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Number 2, Harvard University. Number 3, Stanford University. Number 4, University of California, Berkeley. The top university in the UK are number 1 University of Oxford, number 2 University of Cambridge, number 3 University College London UCL, number 4 London School of Economics LSE. Then comes Australia. Top universities in Australia. University of Melbourne is at number 1. Number 2 is Australian National University ANU. On number 3 is University of Sydney. On number 4 is University of Queensland. Then comes top universities in Germany. Number 1 Technical University of Munich. Number 2 LMU Munich. Number 3 Heidelberg University. And number 4 RWTH Aachen. The top universities in France: Sorbonne University, École Polytechnique, and Paris Sciences et Lettres PSL are 3 universities which are most preferred universities in France by international students. Then comes top universities in New Zealand: University of Auckland, University of Otago, and Victoria University in Wellington. Then comes top universities in Netherlands: Delft University of Technology, number 1. Number 2, University of Amsterdam. Number 3, Eindhoven University of Technology. Number 5, which country should you choose? Here is a simple way to decide. If you want PR plus affordable education, then go for Canada or Germany. If you want top ranked universities, go for USA or UK. If you want good work opportunities plus lifestyle, go for Australia. If you want peaceful environment plus safety, then it is New Zealand. If you want affordable European education, then Germany, France, and Netherlands are the best options. If your choice depends on budget, course, future plans, and job opportunities. So it is totally your personal choice. Now, final advice for students. Before applying, keep these points in mind. Check job demands in destination country. Compare tuition plus living cost. Analyze visa and PR rules. Shortlist universities based on your course. Prepare IELTS, TOEFL or GRE early, and keep your financial documents ready. Studying abroad is a life-changing decision. Research properly and choose wisely. So I hope this video is helpful to you and you understand. I hope this video helped you understand the best countries, universities, cost and opportunities for Indian students in 2025. If you want me to make videos on PR pathways and scholarships or country-wise visa guidance, comment below in my video, and then I'll make videos upon that. And do like, share and subscribe for more study abroad updates. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. So guys, bye bye, and thank you so much for being with me in my video. Hope you like this video and do write your comments in the comment box. Bye bye. Do good and remain good. Thank you.